On this particular AC model, you have your on-off feature. You put it on, push that button, you can put auto. When it's on auto, you control your temperature and it will control this side. If you hit sync and you have it on auto, it controls both sides, passenger and driver. This is your heated seat feature. This is your heated steering wheel feature. Some models will have a air-conditioned seat. I will cover that in a different video. Middle buttons control your fan. This controls rear defrost only. This controls front defrost only. This one, with the little person with the arrows, will adjust where the air comes out of on your new Nissan. Very self-explanatory. This is your recirculate button. You want to use your recirculate button when you get behind something, maybe the outside air doesn't smell so pleasant. You hold that, it recirculates the air in the vehicle through the microfilter. You turn that, it brings air from the outside in. Hot days, you don't want to turn that on until you leave it off for a few moments so you can circulate the hot air out. You don't want to recirculate the hot air through your system. It'll take it longer to cool off.